While Russian dictator Putin is threatening Ukraine with tactical nuclear weapons, the Ukrainian army didn't wait to give him their own version of the weapon. This is not nuke, but it is a huge explosion of a Russian warehouse containing ammunition and howitzers in Donetsk Oblast after being targeted by the Ukrainian 30th Mechanized Brigade. The Ukrainian army has surrounded the town of Lyman, and now the Russian troops face death, surrender, or they can try to flee. The Ukrainian military started ordering surrounded Russian troops to surrender with loudspeakers. The defense forces of Ukraine captured Lyman. There is no point in further resistance, you are surrounded. But Ukrainians and their sense of humor is just not dying on the battlefield. This is some cool trolling, an offer to surrender, voiced in Russian with a German accent resembling the Second World War. I bet that later Russian propagandists will use this recording as proof that they are at war with NATO. This is another captured Russian T-90A tank.
Дарачок. Оце все навороване. Йобані підари. Ось. Целенькі, вони всі бались. Ну не всі. Ось туди далі по дорозі, там вони валяються. Зешка. Повністю бекаса, все фігня. Слава Україні!
And at the end some newly mobilized Russians with some insane amount of bioweapons.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.